20 classic cars, raw, rare, and full of character from just $800 to under $5K. Let's dive into these hidden vintage machines. 1. 1978 Ford Thunderbird, $4,990, Michigan City, Indiana. A late 70s luxury coupe with relatively low mileage at just under 38,000 miles. This Thunderbird is presented as a clean, complete car with no major issues noted. It appears to be a solid driver-level classic with standard features intact. With financing and shipping options mentioned, it's positioned as a ready-to-own vintage cruiser. 2. 1968 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $5,000, New Lenox, Illinois. A full-size Cadillac project that has recently been brought back to running condition. It has received new tires, brakes, and a basic tune-up. However, the car is still far from finished, with the AC not working and overall condition described as rough. It's a project car that runs but still needs attention throughout. 3. 1974 Chevrolet Classic, $4,800, Freeport, Illinois. This Nova-based build runs and drives, powered by a Crate 350 engine paired with a TH400 transmission. Structurally, it's described as being in fairly good shape. The floors and trunk are solid, and additional parts are included, but it still needs exhaust work. Currently running with open headers, it's a usable but unfinished project. 4. 1977 Mini MGB, $4,750, Winston-Salem, NC. A well-documented MGB with under 35,000 miles and a long list of recent maintenance and upgrades. It has seen extensive work across suspension, brakes, and engine components. The car runs and drives well, with minimal rust and a clean title. While the paint is not original quality, overall it stands a clean, sorted classic. 5. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe 2D, $2,500, Elkmont, Alabama. A second-generation Camaro project with a running engine that will need rebuilding. The drivetrain is present, but the car shows significant wear. Rust is extensive, including damaged floor pans and body panels.
It's a full restoration candidate with potential for someone willing to take on a major project.
6. 1964 Chevrolet Malibu 1LT Sedan 4D, $5,000, Louisville, KY. A running and driving Chevrolet Malibu with a V8 and automatic transmission. It includes features like power steering, power brakes, and factory AC. The car has a salvage title due to past damage, with visible body repairs needed. Structurally, it's described as solid, making it a usable project with cosmetic work remaining. 7. 1977 Chevrolet Chevette, $3,700, Anderson, SC. A compact classic that runs and drives well, making it a practical vintage daily. It features a 4-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. The car is described as solid, with working lights and radio, and comes with a clean title. Overall, it's a simple, usable car with minimal issues noted. 8. 1965 Rambler American 440h, $2,000, Medina, NY. A complete but non-running classic that has been off the road since the mid-1990s. The engine turns by hand, indicating it's not seized. It will require carburetor work and general recommissioning before running again. With no keys and only a bill of sale, it's clearly a project car. 9. 1976 Chevrolet Monza parts car, no title, $2,000, Racine, WI. A parts car being sold as a complete unit with no title included. The engine runs, but the car is not positioned as a road-ready vehicle. Body condition is described as fair, making it more useful for parts or a base for a custom build. It's being sold strictly as is. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D, $2,000, Buffalo, New York. A stripped-down rolling chassis intended for racing or custom builds. It has no engine or transmission, but includes structural and performance components. With a cage, wiring, fiberglass panels, and rear end already in place, it's a solid starting point for a drag car. No title is included, and it's not street ready. 11. 1962 Mercury Meteor All, $3,000, Spencer, NY. A mid-sized Mercury project that has already seen some drivetrain work. It's equipped with a 302 engine and a 4-speed transmission sourced from a Mustang. The body is described as being in decent condition, making it a reasonable foundation for a build. However, the car is still incomplete and remains in project form. Interior components are missing, including the seats, which adds to the restoration scope. Some mechanical updates have been done, including headers and a new radiator. With no official paperwork and only a bill of sale, the buyer will need to go through additional steps to register the vehicle.
$12. 1974 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, $2,500, Warren, OH. A solid classic Mercedes that was reportedly running before being parked. The overall structure is described as good for its age. The main issue is the lack of keys, which has prevented the current owner from getting it back on the road. Attempts to replace the key have not been successful. Because of this, its current running condition cannot be verified, even though it previously operated normally. It's being sold as a project. This is a straightforward revival candidate for someone willing to resolve the key and ignition issue.
$13. 1978 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D, $4,000, Richwood, OH. A second Thunderbird from this batch, this one described as a running and driving car. It presents as a usable classic with some minor issues. The car reportedly drives well overall, suggesting it's roadworthy in its current state. It maintains the typical large coupe comfort of the era. The primary issue noted is a radiator leak, which will need repair before consistent use. Aside from that, no major faults are highlighted. This makes it a driver-level vehicle that only needs light mechanical attention. $14. 1962 Buick Electra 225, $995, Harvard, Illinois. A very affordable entry into full-size luxury classics. This Electra is powered by a 401 Wildcat engine. Details about running condition are limited, suggesting it may not currently be road-ready. It's positioned more as a restoration project. The car comes from a multi-owner history but appears to be largely complete. It represents a low-cost starting point. At this price, it's primarily aimed at buyers looking for a budget classic to rebuild. $15. 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V Coupe, $2,500, Pulaski, Tennessee. A large luxury coupe that runs, drives, and stops, powered by a 460 V8 engine. It has a functioning drivetrain with a solid rear-end setup. The car has undergone modifications, including a chopped top, and features a mix of original and replaced interior components. Mechanically, it runs, but is not fully sorted. The carburetor will need rebuilding, as it currently runs with some fuel delivery issues. Despite that, it operates on its own fuel system. With no rust reported, it stands as a functional but unconventional project. (16) 1979 BMW 3 Series 320i Sedan 4D, $4,500, Ann Arbor, MI. A first-generation 3 Series with multiple mechanical upgrades already completed. It has been converted to a Weber carburetor setup, replacing the original system. Suspension and braking components have been refreshed, along with various steering parts. It also features upgraded shocks and lowering springs. The car runs and drives, offering a more modern driving feel compared to many other classics on this list. Handling improvements are a key highlight. It still needs an exhaust system installed, but otherwise presents as a usable and partially sorted classic. (17) 1968 Ford Galaxy, $2,500, North Java, New York. A full-sized Ford sedan that runs but requires some mechanical attention. It's powered by an inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car needs a tune-up and a new starter, as it currently cranks slowly. Despite that, it is still operational to some extent. Included with the car are new brake components and a full front disc brake conversion setup. These parts add value for future improvements. It's a basic running project with straightforward mechanical needs. (18) 1966 Lincoln Continental Sedan 4D, $5,000, Vandergrift, PA. A classic luxury sedan that can run using an external fuel source. The interior is reported to be in very good condition. The body shows minimal rust, although the roof has been repainted due to previous vinyl damage. Structurally, it appears fairly solid. Mechanically, it requires multiple repairs, including brakes, fuel system work, and cooling system fixes. Several parts are included to assist with restoration. It's a complete project car that could be made drivable with the right amount of work. (1973 Ford GT Coupe 2D, $2,000, Bay City, MI. A Gran Torino project with relatively low mileage reported. The car is described as original and mostly intact. It previously ran, but now requires attention before returning to the road. The seller notes that it needs general TLC. Specific issues are not fully detailed, but it's clear that mechanical and cosmetic work will be needed. It's not a ready-to-drive vehicle. This is a straightforward restoration candidate with a complete base. 20. 1962 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan 4D, $800, Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. A very low-priced Cadillac project that has already begun to be parted out. Some components have been removed from the car. The engine turns freely, but it has not been tested for running condition. The rear end has visible damage. There is no title, and the car came from a salvage yard, which limits its usability as a complete vehicle. It's primarily a parts or rebuild candidate. At this price point, it's best suited for parts recovery or a highly ambitious restoration project. If one of these caught your eye, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic car finds like this.